Okay, here's what happened. I made a recuperation short today about doing work while recuperating from heart surgery. It's been exactly a week since I had heart surgery, and I came out here to get some stuff done. But the stabilization on the camera was turned off, and it looks like I'm shaking like crazy, so I'm just gonna film a new little video here. What I'm making is this right here. It's a mock-up of the mock-up of my downdraft sanding table and workbench. It's actually going to go like that up against the wall, and this is the workbench part. I had 5 pieces of lumber that are going to attach to that board right there. And they're within my limit that the doctor gave me. I can only lift up to 10 pounds, and a 2x4 weighs about 9.5 pounds. I could bring the lumber in for myself on the 8-foot lengths, but I had a 12-foot length over here, and I had my wife do that for me. I also had her bring over these panels. There's 2 of them. And we used the ply wheels for that. I gave her a little bit of hand, but she did most of the work, or all of the work. And we got this one on the sawhorses. I got this cut today to width. It's 24 inches wide. I still have to cut it to length, which is about 1 inch off the length. And with these are going to end up, not this one, I just grabbed it because it's lighter. These are going to go on the sides, flush with the edge, and get screwed through the top just to keep everything nice and flat and stable. This is going to be mounted on top of these sawhorses, and that's what I'm going to use for my bench until I can make the next mock-up of the workbench, of course. But anyways, the plan was to joint these lightly to get a straight edge, hit or miss joint them, and then run them through the planer back and forth until I got them to 2.5 inches wide. But I rethought that, and I ended up cutting them to nearly the correct width. I have to do stuff that's not causing too much torque on my upper body. And what I did with this is just cut it nice and slow and use my leg to push on the board and get it through the saw. It was real easy, so there was no strain there. So we are now at the end of the day, and I'm going to post this short. I'll make another short tomorrow. Hopefully I won't have the camera set at the wrong setting, and I can get a little bit of video showing how I do things without causing stress. But first thing I'll do is cut that to length, then cut these to length, get them screwed on, and then I'll have somebody remove that from the horses and put this one on. I'll get this cut to size and do the same thing, and then the 2 are going to get connected, and there's pieces that fit on the top of these sawhorses, and the whole thing will get connected to that. Should be pretty interesting. I will see you in tomorrow's video.